Kevin Durant's houses, inside the basketball star's real estate portfolio. Welcome to Kevin, Durant's dazzling real estate world, a testament to his NBA legacy and refined taste. From a serene Malibu beach house to a Manhattan apartment flooded with sky-high elegance, Durant's portfolio is no ordinary collection of homes. Each property captures prestige, comfort, and boundless ambition. Durant's Malibu mansion, a $12.05 million gem, offered oceanfront views through wall-to-wall glass. With 4 bedrooms, a media room, and a private gym, this estate redefined beachside luxury. Ocean view decks served as his retreats, weaving serenity and grandeur seamlessly together. Durant's Manhattan home mirrored his sharp style, a sleek, modern haven overlooking the High Line. Blue velvet furnishings and personal touches like a trophy-adorned office showcased his penchant for blending design with individuality, crafting an apartment that resonated with his achievements. In Hidden Hills, Durant shelled out $15.6 million for a private suburban escape. This 10,000 square foot modern farmhouse featured expansive pool decks and serene landscapes. It was more than a residence. It was a hideaway for rejuvenation amidst his fast-paced life. Inspired by Kevin Durant's homes, turn your aspirations into reality. Whether it's ocean vistas or city skylines, let these grand estates ignite your journey toward luxurious living. Follow us for more stories that elevate your lifestyle dreams to championship caliber.